नमस्कार दोस्तों, today we will discuss how to prepare for UGC NET. Before discussing that, let me briefly tell about my background. I was born and brought up in Jaunpur, a district in Uttar Pradesh. Till 12th, I studied in Jaunpur itself. After 12th, I did my graduation in Electronics and Communication, BTech in Electronics and Communication. After BTech, I did job in bank, State Bank of India and Bank of India. After that, I did my Master of Business Administration MBA from IIT Roorkee. Post that, I started appearing in UGC NET, and by the grace of God, I cleared UGC NET not just once but 5 times. So I will tell you a strategy how to prepare UGC NET, and most probably this is time tested strategy, since by following this strategy I have cracked UGC NET 5 times. So listen carefully to this strategy. It will certainly help you. You can make changes in this strategy, but this strategy, believe me, will certainly help you to crack UGC NET and with good rank, with good marks. So let's start discussing how to prepare UGC NET with management as an optional, with management subject. My UGC NET was with management. So let's discuss in brief the pattern of UGC NET exam. There are 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 2 is of subject. What subject you have taken? Like I had taken management. So paper 2 will consist of management question. Paper 1 was general paper. Firstly, we will discuss paper 1, then we will discuss paper 2. In paper 1, one has to study general mathematics, general English, teaching aptitude, a bit of reasoning, a bit of ethics question also comes, and verbal ability. So in general, what you prepare for MBA, that is before coming into an MBA, you give an MBA entrance test. Those things comes in paper 1. Those things comes in paper 1 along with teaching ability, teaching aptitude. Now this comprises of paper 1. Now how to prepare for paper 1? Paper 1, for preparing paper 1, we have one very good book of Truman publication and Aryan publication. You can purchase that and study that. In paper 1, general math come, general aptitude, general mathematics come. For that you can prepare through your NCERT or through Quantum CAT of that you prepare while preparing for MBA, or any other book of R.S. Agrawal or any other. A very basic level of numericacy, basic level of mathematics you need to be aware. That's it for mathematics. For English, you can do practice paper of any coaching, or any you can purchase any good book of verbal ability. You can practice that again and again. And for verbal ability or for English section, that the English which is being asked in paper 1, I would say read newspaper daily. Reading newspaper is most essential thing. That not only helps you to understand the verbal ability section, but will also broaden your horizon to understand various other things also. So newspaper is must. You must continuously read any one newspaper, either be it the Hindu or the Indian Express or whichever paper you like. But I'd suggest these 2 only. Apart from that, normal reasoning question come. And in order to solve the normal reasoning question, you can take any coaching booklet or any books of Aryan or Truman publication or any other which is available in a market, and you have to solve it repeatedly. For teaching aptitude, and some question comes of business communication. For business communication, you can purchase good rating, good book having good rating on Amazon, or in the first year of your MBA you study business communication. Also various lectures of various institutes are available in YouTube. You can go and study business communication from that, from those videos, and certainly this will help you. So I have told you in brief how to prepare for paper 1. This was about preparation of paper 1 through books and through practice. But the most important thing about preparing paper 1 is to syllabus as well as previous year papers. One must go through at least previous 5-year papers without fail. This is the most important tips for cracking paper 1, and this holds same for paper 2 also. You have to solve very diligently previous 5-year papers for paper 1. That will give you an idea what type of question comes and what has been the trend in paper over past 5 years. 5 years is must. If you want to solve more, you are most welcome, you can solve, but 5 years is must. So this was in solved about paper 1. Now we will discuss how to prepare for paper 2 management optional. Paper 2 is very important because this tests your subject knowledge, and this holds more importance because of the weightage paper 2 has. Paper 2 is make or break. It helps you to get into or clear UGC NET or JRF. Now how to prepare for paper 2? First of all, go through the syllabus of management UGC NET. What is the syllabus of management in UGC NET, and have printed 2 or 3 copies for you. Regularly see the topics or read or memorize at least the syllabus which is there. And second thing you have to do, which was good for paper 1 also, you have to solve previous 5-year papers diligently. आपको पिछले 5 साल के पेपर सॉल्व करने ही होंगे. Now when you see the syllabus and when you solve the previous 5-year question, you will realize what topics are important and what topics are not important for paper 2. And those topics which are very important, when you solve 5-year paper, you will realize that XYZ topics are very important. For example, in stats, hypothesis, question from hypothesis is regularly asked. In marketing, Porter's 5 forces is regularly asked. Apart from that, 4P, STP, 7P, the basic things are regularly repeated. Though the question may not repeat, but the concept will repeat. Modi, Giller and Milani principle of finance. Question from these topics are regularly repeated. Chi-square will repeat. Chi-square in stats. These topics will regularly repeat. So the point is, when you study the previous 5-year paper, you will realize which all topics are very essential, and you need to study those topics repeatedly, time and again. You have to have command over those topics, and certainly that will help you to clear your paper 2. Now regarding holistic preparation of paper 2 from books, I would say in UGC NET you have to have command over first year of your MBA. What you study in first year of your MBA is most important. Summary of those things is asked in UGC NET. In second year you do generally specialization thing. I am not saying second year is not that important, but first year is very important. You can't neglect first year syllabus. Of the first year syllabus you have to study very properly. From second year onwards selective topics come, since second year is of specialization. And for marketing and for management as a subject in UGC NET, few fundamental books and their PowerPoint presentation and their YouTube videos you must go through. For example, in marketing, Philip Kotler is there. In stats, Levin and Rubin is there. In HRM, you can go the basic books which you have been taught in your college, or read only one basic book like Ashwathappa you can read. The point is, you have to read one basic book and you have to read it again and again. What you have to do? To read again and again. And the Fundamental of Marketing by Kuntz. So these are basic books which you must read for your UGC NET. Once you will have good concept over all these things, and thereafter you will go to UGC NET syllabus and the past year paper, you will realize that the preparation for UGC NET is very easy if you do preparation in a scientific manner. The scientific manner I have already told you: past year paper, syllabus, as well as fundamental books. You should have good knowledge of the subjects which are being asked in UGC NET. So if you will have fundamental knowledge from your good basic books and you can link with the syllabus and the past year paper, you will have cakewalk in paper 2. So a paper 2 as well as paper 1, you will be able to secure good marks and you will emerge with good rank in UGC NET. This was in brief about preparing for UGC NET. I can certainly say to you with good command that this strategy will definitely work, since I have cleared UGC NET 5 times and currently I am working in Indian Oil Corporation Limited. I wish you all the best. Prepare hard, prepare in a scientific manner, prepare diligently, give time to your preparation. You will certainly clear UGC NET with good mark. And UGC NET is a doorway to opportunity, is a gateway to opportunity. After UGC NET, you can do PhD from good institution. From IIT, from IIMS, you can do PhD from wherever you want. Also, many of the PSU take UGC NET score. So, this exams open plethora of opportunity, number of opportunity for you in future. Also, it will give you confidence to stand and to compete with the best mind in India and abroad. So this was in brief about the preparation of UGC NET. Hope you like the video. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. We will try to answer your question in the comment section itself. And at last, I would like to thank DKT platform for giving me this wonderful opportunity and having me here to interact with the young aspirants and sharing my journey of UGC NET with you all, so that you can clear this exam easily and in scientific manner. Thank you very much, and again I thank you DKT platform for giving me opportunity. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.